In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Gallery app. In it, just hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of, like this one. Now you can click on all of them, or just click on Select All at the top right corner. So when I click, as you can see, all of my photos from this section were successfully selected. In order to delete them, choose Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!